Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the label on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to delete the label on your Google Keep, I just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, click on the stated option on the top. Then you have this option called create new label or edit. Click on the edit option. Now here you have a 3 label. I didn't want a photo and video label. So for that, first of all, click on this edit pencil symbol on the bottom on the side. Click on this. Now you have this option, two option. A tick option, you can just change the name of the labels. Otherwise, click on the dustbin option or the easy bin option. Here it shows we will delete this label and remove it from your Google Keep notes, and your notes won't be deleted. So removing the label will not delete the notes. Click on delete. That's it. The same process can be repeated for other labels. Now come back, and here you can find only one label on the label section. This is how you just delete the label on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.